I went into this expecting a fun party light, but after actually using these, I realised they're doing the job of a proper Parcan without cables, DMX, or any of the usual lighting stress. And when they go, they do go pretty party hard. So these are the Soundboks Lightboks. They're battery powered, audio reactive, and completely hands off in terms of lighting. And after running them flat out for hours, I've got some very honest thoughts about who these are actually for and if they could be usable for gigging musicians. So let's dive into it. One thing I really didn't expect out of these units was just how bright they are. It really surprised me that they were able to light up a room with just kind of two of these running. They filled out the space really well, like a traditional Parcan would, but with so much more energy and movement that I think it made a real big difference to the gig feeling more active and fun. They were far more dynamic than most Parcans can or would be, and the wash of colours and the different colour choices was pretty great as well. I was just thoroughly impressed with them. I think you can probably see in this picture now how much they're pushing onto the back wall. It's not a massive room, but it did look really great when they were going. Like standard, there's a built-in mic that listens to whatever music you're playing, and it generates an effect line that actually feels pretty musical. I think they must have spent quite a bit of time programming how these lights switch between. It's not just like flash, 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 color, 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 flash, flash, flash. They look pretty decent, and you can just lob them down on the floor, connect them up, and that's it. You're done. They just look good straight out the box. You can pick the kind of color palette that you want to use as well. Super useful, but we'll go into that a little bit more in a second. I do just generally think these look great. Just really great active lights that will emphasize your performance rather than being a hindrance. There's an app which is generally easy to use. It allows you to link the lights together. You can choose color palettes and adjust the energy levels, which takes literally seconds. You can even do it on the light if you don't want to use the app. The only thing to be aware of is that you do need the app each time you turn on the lights to link them up. So they will unlink every time they power off. Maybe a little bit annoying, not too bad. They don't actually look too bad when they are not linked up anyway. So you can just bung them down and they look all right. They look cool. But being able to just lob on the app, link them up, choose the colors you want, super, super simple. In terms of battery life, I was actually more than impressed with these. These did a 5-hour gig and they've still got half charge. I've not actually charged this since the gig. It still has half charge. So in theory, 10 hours. I think they quote 13, which might be true. You know, batteries are a bit finicky, especially if you were running at a lower intensity. You quite possibly could get 13. For most gigs, parties and events though, that's more than enough time to get the lights set up and looking good. You don't need much more than 5 hours. So as long as you remember to charge them up beforehand, you should be solid. I mean, you could take these to a beach party, which I think is a great use case for these. And yeah, you're going to be partying for most of the night. There is one slight misgrievance, and that is you can't pick individual colours for this to show. They've all been programmed, and there are some really nice colour palettes on the program, but they are restricted to the colours that they have chosen. Now, that doesn't massively bother me. Like I said, I liked the palettes on there and I thought they looked good, but there's no way to use any DMX on these. There's no kind of form of precise programming or control. So if you're after those things, then these probably are not for you. But if you want something that just works, adds light, adds flavor and color, then these are really, really great little lights. I can't not recommend them for that exact person, especially if you need them battery powered. If you need battery powered lights, I think these are a no-brainer. And along that line of professional accoutrements, there aren't many mounting options on this. I mean, I say there's not many. There are exactly none. There are no mounting options on this bar the handle. You could use the handle with some kind of grip or clamp. That would probably work, but they're clearly designed for being put on top of things or on the floor and being portable rather than something that you would rig up and put onto stands or trusses. So if you were hoping to do that with these lights, then again, maybe not for you. But overall, I think there are a group of people who will think that this light is absolutely perfect. It's battery powered, that, like I said, there's not many options there. If you just don't know much about lighting or don't want to know much about lighting, they kind of do all the work for you. They've got a massive amount of impact. They're bright, they're light, they're compact, and they're pretty powerful as well. So if your priorities are ease and portability and vibe rather than programming, the Lightboks absolutely delivers. They could be seen as a little bit pricey, but like I said, there's so little that delivers this kind of quality that I can see there is an argument for why it attributes that price, especially with the battery life. Like, that's pretty phenomenal. I want to thank Thomann for sending these out to me, and of course Soundboks for letting me see the lights in real life and try them out in a real life scenario before I let you guys know what I thought about them. Yeah, if you want to help me, you can click on a link below. My affiliate Thomann link always helps me, costs you nothing, so please click there if you're thinking about buying a couple of these. And you might want to check out this video here where I talk about more lights at Thomann, this video here where you can subscribe, like down here, and until next time, I'll see you later.